This is USAV Solutions, and we're going to be taking apart the Solo TV sound system right here. And we're just going to take out the PCB inside of it to replace it if it has any issues like no power or no sound. This is how you would fix those issues. Go ahead. So we got a plate right here, and this is what we have to take off. This is the whole board after you take off that plastic cover. There you go. So all the screws are pretty obvious locations. I don't think there's a screw there. And then we just have four 6-point torque screws right here. There you go. That's actually screwed into the bottom of the plastic, so you have to take that off. You have to take the cover off. And then, oh, you have to unplug that for the, looks like for the speakers that go to the front. There's 4 speakers that go to the front of the system. So we just have to unplug it right there, and then along with this wire. Little ribbon cable for the LED connector on the front, and that's it. So you can buy a replacement PCB here, and you can just put another one in to fix any issues you're having with it.